Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers in Miles City, Montana. Here we have a Eagle brand compressor. This says 150 PSI. This is new in the box, and I just took the box off right there. The one that you will receive will still be in the box. This one I'm gonna rebox, but anyways, with that said, you will get one that's never been opened in the box. And what a nice piece they are. You can set it from 95 to 125 PSI. It's 18.5 CFM. The bigger Honda engine. If you did need service for it, it's just simply a phone call away to Mississippi, and they have every part for it in stock, ready to go. All right, folks, thanks for looking. This will be sold on the 11th of May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana, and it sells at smithsalesco.com. And thanks for looking.